Hi students, welcome again to class 11th accounts. So in today's session I have taken the question of single column cash book. Here are 7 transactions and the question is about you have to prepare single column cash book. So let's prepare single column cash book. So I have taken the format. This is the format of single column cash book. Now we have to enter the transactions in this cash book. So let's proceed. So the first transaction is cash in hand. So students, remember when cash in hand is given, what you will write? You will write to balance brought down. And if business started with cash is given, then you will write to capital account. So when cash in hand, to balance brought down, and when business started with capital, with cash to capital account. So here to balance brought down 2000. This is your debit side and this is your credit side. Remember you will record all your cash receipts. जितना भी पैसा बिजनेस में आए वो आप डेबिट में रिकॉर्ड करोगे एंड ऑल द कैश पेमेंट्स, और जितना पैसा आप दोगे बिजनेस से जाएगा वो आप क्रेडिट में रिकॉर्ड करोगे. सो नेक्स्ट एंट्री इज कैश परचेजेस. इट मीन्स पैसा बिजनेस से जा रहा है, सो यू विल एंटर इट ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड बाय परचेजेस. बाय परचेजेस 10,000 इन अमाउंट कॉलम. देन कैश सेल्स, मतलब आपने जो भी सामान बेचा उसके पैसे आपको मिल गए, सो यू विल राइट टू सेल्स अकाउंट ऑन द डेबिट साइड 3,000 रुपीज़. Then sold goods to XY company. You are selling goods to XY company. So XY company is your customer and the goods costing rupees 4,000. But he is not paying cash. So you will not record this transaction in your cash book because it's a credit transaction. Because XY company is not giving you any amount of cash. XY company आपको कुछ भी पैसे नहीं दे रही है. It means you have sold the goods to XY company on credit. So you will not record this entry in cash book. Leave this entry. Then paid rent. You have paid rent, so you will enter it on the credit side by rent account 2,000 rupees. Then paid salary, again you are paying some cash, so salary account 1,000 rupees. Then commission received, you are receiving commission. It means it's an income for your business, so you will write commission on the debit side. You will write to commission account here on the debit side and the amount is 500. All the transactions are over now. Now what you will do, you will make the total of this cash book. See, this is the bigger side. As 10,000 is there, it becomes 13,000. So you will write 13,000 here, double and close. Then you will make the total of this 3,000, 2,500, 5,000, 5,500. You will deduct this 5,500 from this 13,000 rupees. So 13,000 में से 5,500 माइनस करेंगे और जो भी आंसर आएगा उसको हम लिखेंगे टू बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन. सो माइनस करने के बाद आपका आंसर जो आता है दैट इज 7,500. सो 13,000 here also. So this is all about single column cash book. इस तरह से आपको ये जो एंट्रीज हैं, जो ट्रांजेक्शन्स हैं, वो इस तरह से कैश बुक में आपको पोस्ट करनी है. सो आई होप this question of single column cash book clears the idea about how you will enter the entire transactions in single column cash book. Remember one thing, I have not taken this transaction in the single column cash book because it's a credit transaction, because you are selling goods to XY company but no cash is received, no cash is given by this company, so you will assume this transaction as credit transaction. So no recording of this transaction while preparing your single column or double column cash book. Thank you.